everyone. Today is day 13 of our 30 days challenge. And what are we having for dinner today? We are cooking vegetable soup with sweet potatoes. Vegetable soup with sweet potatoes. And these are recipe. We have the ugu leaf here. We have the okazi leaf here. We have the water leaf, mushroom. You can use either mushroom, chickpeas, or tofu. This is mushroom. We have our sweet potatoes, and so we should use garlic, ginger, onions, and any spice of your choice. So we decide to use our tatashe and shombo for our today's spice. Then we'll be having our sea salt here with Cajun spice. But today I didn't get my Cajun spice, so I'll be adding adobo goya to it. Okay, let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the sweet potatoes in our 3 quarts and the basket. This is the culinary basket and 3 quarts. Yeah, that is what I'm going to use to prepare the sweet potatoes. So let's start. Let me wash my hand. So, like you see, the potato is properly washed. Yeah, the sweet potatoes is properly washed. So, with the skin, I'm not going to, what do? I just add that. See, so we're going to add a little water here, just about 1 liter of water. I have the water here. I'm adding 1 liter of water. And I'll make sure the water is not touching the pan. Yeah, just little water to dispatch it. Yeah, like this. Straight to the gas. Then I put it at low, medium. You know, we put at medium, click low. So I put it at low, medium. Why doing that? For my vegetable, let me quickly blend my pepper. Yeah. Let me blend my pepper. My onions. Ginger. Then I cut the garlic. Now blend together. ready. Cool. Then we'll put this, the blended tatashe, onion, ginger, and garlic. Bring on the gas. Remember, we are cooking at low heat, medium. At medium. So I'm going to boil this for 5 minutes. The tomato. While doing that, can we quickly shred our, let me cut our mushroom. Let me cut it into pieces. Let me dice it. Our water leaf, properly washed. Remember, we don't cut before we wash your vegetable. You have to cut, you have to wash, then you now slice. Our ugu, properly washed, you can see, not cutting, slicing before you now wash. When you do that, you lose nutrients. So you have to wash your vegetable properly before you now slice it. Okay, now to the pepper on the gas, I want to add the mushroom to it. Then let me season with the sea salt and the adobo. Remember, we can use our Cajun spice. So I'm using the sea salt, just little of the salt. And the adobo. Now I like to simmer for some minutes. Yeah. While waiting for that, just for 5 minutes, then we can add our veggie into it. I'm adding the water leaf. Just I like to simmer for some minutes, like 2 minutes is okay. You are not supposed to allow our vegetable to stay longer on the hand. I'm adding the okazi and the ugu leaf. The ugu leaf now. adding the ugu. I need to stir evenly. So we allow to cook for 4 minutes. 4 to 3 minutes is okay for that. Thank you. Okay, our vegetable, like I said, 3 to 4 minutes is okay. The vegetable is ready. Yeah. Our vegetable is ready now. Yeah, you can see this. Wow. You can see the green color coming out. Yes, your vegetable is supposed to be still green and crunchy, not brown. Can you see that? Wow. Okay. The 3 quarts has been clicking, calling my name since. Let us check our sweet potato. Wow. This is ready. Wow. Can we see? Can we see this? Yeah. We can now serve. Can you see this? Wow, can you see it? This is beautiful. Wow, more colorful. Everything looking fresh. Yeah, thank you.